Hello and welcome to Cloud Campus Club, guys. And thank you so much for taking that initiative to register for this bootcamp. So I've been working on some creative content to be shared in that Sunday bootcamp, but here is a little concern that I have. Are you someone who's just interested to learn cloud? Because if you're just interested, you see that you're registering on a weekday, Monday to Friday. But trust me, you this interest would fade off by the time you hit Sunday, by the time you join me in the workshop. And yes, people do this even after registration. Okay. So if you're just interested, it would fade off. But are you someone who's committed to be a cloud champion within the next 60 to 90 days? Because if you are committed, then here are two action items for you. First, I want you to click on the link below and join me in the WhatsApp group where the next instructions would flow. Second, I want you to click on the second link to watch a quick video of mine, 3 to 6 minute video, and create that Amazon account for free. Okay. So if you're truly committed, join me in the WhatsApp group. Second, create that Amazon account quickly and give a shout out in the WhatsApp group that I've created this account. And yes, I would look forward to see you live in my Sunday bootcamp. Cheers. Bye bye.